Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin daily analysis for today, 31 of October of 2024. Yesterday we were talking about that we are in a bullish move basically. We are in a bullish move basically, and we expect continuation, but there was a chance of retracement. And the retracement, we talk about these two zones. First of zone would be this line, that is the consequent encouragement of this huge candle. Basically, this is the midpoint. Bitcoin respected, and we have this mitigation block, and Bitcoin respected because it closed over, just passed through, but closed over. We have this mitigation block too, that is another zone that is overlapped with this fair value gap. Bitcoin hasn't arrived to that place yet, but for now, Bitcoin is respecting this midpoint of this candle. And of course, we can still continue retracing a little bit. And we just create another fair value gap here. We just created. Let me use the magnet so again we can draw it perfect. We have these two fair value gaps. So these two zones now are in the eye for a retracement, and this mitigation block plus this fair value gap too. These two possible zones are not likely, but are zone of interest if the Bitcoin want to retrace. But for now, the most likely thing that happened, according to my analysis, is that Bitcoin could continue retracing and touch this fair value gap, touch it and then bounce, because we have some news today. Today, Thursday, we have core PCE, personal income, personal spending, and tomorrow, Friday, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, and ISM manufacturing PMI. A lot of news. This definitely is the week with more volatility around. So it's highly likely that Bitcoin will be pretty volatile today and tomorrow, and there's a high chance, not high, there's a certainty, basically 90, like a 99.99999% that Bitcoin with this point and this point, because these two highs are so close, basically Bitcoin will break the all-time high in the next, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe Saturday, but in the next few days. But basically, there's a chance that it could retrace to this fair value gap, or it can retrace to, for example, the midpoint of this fair value gap. That is, let me use, well, I will add another line, 71,896.6. 96.6. This is the point of interest that it could retrace to. So we have a lot of point of interest because this midpoint of this wick is another zone that Bitcoin can respect and retrace a little bit and then bounce. But basically can go here, can go here, and if it closes below here, below this lower part of this fair value gap, that means that we'll go here and we'll touch this zone, and basically the retracement will take a little more time. But for now, I think it's very likely that Bitcoin will go and pass the all-time high today, 31, because this retracement was a pretty subtle, pretty with low intensity, very calm, nothing violent, and retrace a little and retrace more than the candle. This candle has 0.54%, but the retracement has a lot more, has around 1%. So basically, it just tell us that Bitcoin probably will go here, and the worst case will touch this zone and then go up and pick up the all-time high. So I think this is a more likely scenario for today, Tuesday. But in the case that Bitcoin continue going down a little bit, you know that this zone is important, this mitigation block, and this fair value gap are the zone of support for the price. But for now, I think it's super likely that between today, Thursday, and tomorrow, Friday, we will go to the all-time highs. Okay, guys, I hope you like this analysis. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.